Pancakes, anyone? Hey, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. My name is Emily and I sometimes make vegan recipes videos. Today I want to show you a very easy pancake recipe that I've showed you on my Instagram like about a week ago. It's a recipe that you can really adapt with different flavors, with different spices, depending on your mood. If you're feeling a little naughty, you can go for the chocolate version, and if you're feeling a little bit sick, you can go for the anti-inflammatory version. So you'll see that in the video. But yeah, it's a very simple recipe that I like to make. I'm not a big pancake girl, to be honest, but I have my phases, and sometimes I have them every day. They're just that good and that easy to make. They don't take more than 10 minutes all in all together. So I think they're even a good week breakfast if you have a little bit of time. Yeah, I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you at the end. So we're gonna need really basic ingredients for the base recipe, and then we'll add on spices and toppings and all that for the difference between them. So for the recipe, we'll need some plant-based yogurt. So I'll be using soy yogurt and coconut yogurt. A type of flour, I love using spelt flour for my pancakes. A tablespoon of flax meal in each recipe. So flax meal is grounded flax seeds. So if you can't find flax meal, then what I like to do is buy a lot of flax seeds and grind them in my blender. And then I keep that in the fridge. It's pretty important to keep them in the fridge so they don't go rancid. And then we'll need some water, apple cider vinegar, and some baking powder or baking soda. So all the recipes are gonna start with prepping the buttermilk mixture. So we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of plant-based yogurt to 3/4 cups of water. You'll stir that together and this will form like a milk. To that we're adding a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and let that sit for around 5 minutes. For the anti-inflammatory pancake recipe, we're gonna add 1/2 cup of flour in a bowl, a tablespoon of flaxseed, a teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, and a little bit of pepper to activate the molecule that's called curcumin, and that's really good in the turmeric. To that, we're adding our buttermilk, and we'll mix that together until no lumps remain. Add a tablespoon of agave syrup or any other sweetener. Stir that again, and we'll set that to a side. Moving on to the apple cinnamon pancakes. In a bowl, again, we're adding the flour, the flaxseed. This time we're adding a tablespoon of cinnamon, a handful of goji berries, baking powder, and again, the same buttermilk I didn't show you again, but it's exactly the same mixture with the soy yogurt. We'll mix that together again and set it aside. Last recipe, the chocolate chip, which is my favorite. We'll add this time coconut yogurt because it's like a coconut chocolate pancake. Again, the vinegar, and stir that together. In a bowl, you'll add the flour, the flax meal, coconut shreds, chocolate chips, baking powder, and finally the buttermilk. Again, mix that together until no lumps remain. Now that we have our 3 batters, we're ready to cook them in a hot pan. So I'm adding about a tablespoon of cooking oil. I think this was colza oil. With a paper, I just like remove the excess. And I add about 1/4 cup or 2 tablespoons for each pancake in the hot pan. Then the rest is pretty self-explanatory. I mean, when you see a little bubbles coming through, it's almost time to flip. So with the spatula, you can kind of go under the pancake, and if it moves quite freely, it's time to flip. And then you'll cook that for another 30 seconds, a minute on medium heat. You can totally dance during that time because what else could you do? Once they're cooked, you just put them on a plate and you repeat the same operation for all the batter from all the different kinds. I mean, you don't need to do all the different kinds at the same time, but that's what I did. So I just wanted to show you it's exactly the same, a lot of flipping going on. Yeah, then we're ready to stack them. So for the apple cinnamon recipe, for the compote, it's really simple. I just cut 2 apples, which I remove the hard part from, and then I chop them in smaller bits. In a pan, I just add them with just a little bit of water and a lot of cinnamon, because who doesn't love cinnamon? Then you stir that. Make sure you add water so it doesn't really burn to the bottom, and it's just really soft and caramelized. So then we stack the pancakes with them, goji berries, and almond flakes. For the turmeric pancakes, which have anti-inflammatory properties, I kept it relatively healthy with some fresh fruits, blueberries, kiwi, a bit of flour, and of course a little bit of syrup. This is coconut sugar syrup, and it's really yummy. Last recipe, I'm really obsessed with this one. Of course, it's chocolate. I drizzle some chocolate sauce. This is just melted dark chocolate. Top it with some banana, some coconut, and some more dark chocolate, because why not? And there you have it, the 3 different kind of recipes. Of course, these are just ideas, so make sure you try them out. You can replace goji berries with cranberries, any other fruits, any other spices. Feel free to explore. These are just ideas, but the main recipe remains the same. And what's really cool with this recipe is that it's easy, healthy, and yeah, I hope you can try them out, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna love them. So I just feel like I need to show you the inside of those pancakes. So I'll try to cut them through and show you how they look like, and have a little taste test, I think it's called. Alrighty. Oh, they look good. And this is a very big mouthful, so let's try. I've been told I shouldn't talk with my mouth open, but they taste really good. So that's all guys for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I would really appreciate your feedback, either by leaving a little comment or a little thumbs up, or if you're not subscribed already, subscribe to my YouTube channel because it's really fun. I do other things. I do yoga, lifestyle related things. Have a little look at my other videos, but yeah, I would really appreciate you join the squad. It's a lot of fun, and also it really supports me and motivates me to go on with the videos. So yeah, today was kind of hard to film. It's been a while and I feel like I've lost everything I've learned and built over time, and yeah, I need to get back into it, but that's why your support means a lot. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you soon on my channel. And I'm just gonna finish this yummy little plate of pancake now. Bye!